Hello everyone and welcome to our Insilico Terminal tutorial on the Orderbook component. This powerhouse displays the live stack of bits and asks for your selected instrument, helping you gauge market depth and liquidity at a glance. With customizable animations, meters, and integrations, it's essential for spotting imbalances and placing precise orders. We'll cover its features, settings, and pro tips. Let's dive right in. At its core, the Orderbook shows stacked rows of bits on the left in green and asks on the right in red, with dimmed background volume bars representing both single row volume and cumulative totals for each side. Users' resting orders get special highlighting on their price row, with the order size shown next to the volume column for easy spotting. Up top left, the pull/stack meter tracks, adds, and removes as a time series. Green bars for bits, red for asks, scale to the largest change. In the middle, the last traded price pops right there. And top right, you've got three key meters. IMB for imbalance ratio of bits versus asks, UPD for update frequency, and WGT for volume weighted changes. All normalized and super insightful for momentum. One of the handiest actions, click any price in the price column to autofill it into a linked execution panel or place order component. Perfect for snapping limit orders to exact level. Now, animations bring it to life. Flash mode highlights changes like adds or removes. Toggle it to flash just the price column or the whole row, and tweak speed and visibility. Drifter animations visualize deltas. They start at the price row, which sets their speed and size up based on the change volume with a max number you can cap to avoid clutter. You can set grouping to clump prices, like by 10 for step bits and asks, adjust size for row height and scale text, tweak volume visibility or cumulative visibility for brighter or subtler volume bars. The layout even adapts to vertical or horizontal as you resize the component. Toggle texts for volume, cumulative, or prices to declutter. Use ignore rows to skip top book noise for meters and animations, or delta filter to ignore tiny changes below a size threshold. Fine-tune flash and drifter as mentioned. Show or hide the pull stack meter or adjust imbalance, update, and volume weighted change smoothing. For the best visuals, turn on 60 FPS mode. But heads up, it skips optimizations and might hit performance. Other quick toggles include the M button abbreviates sizes like 1.24 million for millions, and the dollar button converts to USD if the asset supports it. Click on reset all if you want all the defaults. Again, that's your guide to the Orderbook in Insilico Terminal, from light depth to animated insights. Tweak those settings for your style and link it up for seamless trading. Thanks for watching and see you in the Orderbooks.